Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Rule Girl Kicks Cop in the Chest, Instantly Regrets It by Behind the Mugshot.
Did I fail?
Everything's been recorded.
Did I fail? Not matter to you, huh? That you're a piece of shit, huh?
I'm not gonna tell you again. Sit down.
You know what? Step out of the vehicle. You guys can't be sitting together.
Why?
Because I said so.
Oh. Yeah.
Roll down the window.
Why you in jail is crazy.
Roll it all the way down.
All the way. Yes, it is a law. Or you can step out the vehicle. You know what? Step out the vehicle. I'm telling you to step out the vehicle. Yes, I'm giving you a lawful order to step out the vehicle. I'm not going to tell you again, but I'll just pull you out.
I don't think you can pull something.
Oh, yeah? You just committed a crime at peeing in public, okay? So next time I suggest, don't flip us off when you're committing a crime. Okay, just don't act stupid like that. Where's your ID?
I don't have.
You gonna literally take a leak outside and then flick the cops off? Yo, I going to jail!
You don't have an ID.
Here.
Have a seat on that ledge.
She looked like she was the one that was pissy.
What's your name?
Jelly.
What is it?
Jelly.
What's your actual name?
Jelly.
What does it say on your ID?
Jelly.
Spell that.
J-E-L-I.
What's your last name?
G.
Don't fuck with me, dude.
Step away from the driver's side with the front. I'm going to put your handcuffs. I'm not playing with you.
These two are
You
drunk.
just step to the front of the car. I'm not going to tell you again. Why are you looking at me like that? Do you not understand what I'm saying?
I was not doing nothing bad. What did I do wrong?
What did you do wrong?
Yes.
What do you mean, what did you do wrong?
Why do you want me to follow your directions? What was I doing that was so wrong?
Did you not see her peeing in public?
No.
She wasn't peeing. What
No.
was she doing then?
What does her have to do with me?
Okay, just stay there.
I'm not gonna tell you again. Sit down.
I knew she was the one that was pissy.
Crazy.
Is it? You just committed a crime. You're peeing in public. You can be arrested. Do you want
Public indecency.
No.
Roll down your window. Roll your window down.
You're both gonna end up going to jail tonight. Well, you're peeing in public, which is a crime. Your friend here doesn't want to listen. So the more you guys don't comply, the more likely it is you guys go to jail tonight.
Should they want to go to jail?
Your games until you're in handcuffs. That's why you're smirking and laughing over there.
Yeah. You're the one who mentioned fun and games, right?
Stand up and put your hands behind your back. Sit down.
Please.
Sit down, dude.
Yes. Sit down, Miss Pissy.
I miss you though. Can you get a picture? You should get a cute picture of me.
Sit down, dude. Huh? Let's go. Let's go this way. This way.
They think this shit a joke.
I love you.
Anything in your pockets? Interesting.
She might as well just wear a bikini because them ain't even shorts for real.
Ain't that something?
What is that?
We just picked up a couple more charges, friend.
What did they pick up? What was that? Hold on, we gotta go back because I didn't see it. Oh, we got the white stuff.
Interesting.
That's why she's so bubbly.
Ain't that something? We just picked up a couple more charges, friend.
Look, she not smiling no more.
Let's see.
The realization is kicking in.
2232.
Party favors. Albuquerque. It's in Texas? Oh, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Duh, dummy. What the hell? They arrested the other girl? Or just her?
Do you want a bunny suit to cover yourself? You sure? There's Some weirdos.
I would.
Okay, let's go this way.
She probably liked the attention.
While
eh?
they were booking her, the other girl was still refusing to get out of the vehicle.
Respect goes a long way. All you guys have to do is listen to us.
You mind coming down to 50 Central? Smell wants to speak to you.
Probably right. You can throw her in a car. Throw her in a car.
Can you tell me what's going on tonight? Okay. So,
her we didn't see driving, but she had the intention. When we pulled up, her friend was peeing, so they tried to jump in the car and take off right away. She put the car in reverse and wanted to, but we stopped her. So
Okay.
there's the intention of driving.
sure. Okay, ma'am. I'm Sergeant Johnson with the police department. Okay, so you are being detained. You're not free to leave. Everything's been recorded. Okay, if you resist arrest, force will be used against you. Okay, so you're under suspicion for DWI. Okay, so you're going to have the opportunity to do field sobriety tests.
Her friend has 57 on her too, so
Okay.
we could be doing that.
You need to step out of the vehicle and you have the opportunity to do field sobriety tests, ma'am. Okay?
Y'all do not have permission to.
Okay, that's fine, ma'am. I'm glad you came out here, okay? So I'm gonna give you the opportunity to do field sobriety tests, okay? I can smell the alcohol in your breath. So would you like to do field sobriety tests, ma'am? Everything's been recorded. I'm Sergeant Johnson with the Albuquerque Police Department. You are being detained. You're not free to leave.
It's very obvious. You said you smelled alcohol on my breath.
Correct.
As soon as I stepped out of the
No,
car.
ma'am, the window was open. Did you forget?
No, I have it recorded.
Okay, everything's been recorded, ma'am. Okay?
Yes.
She dumber than a box of rocks.
You are being detained. You're not free to leave. If you resist arrest, force will be used against you. Okay? Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we're going to come over here, okay? You have an opportunity to do field sobriety test. You want to do field sobriety test, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. We're going to have to do it actually over here. Let's see. Just follow me, ma'am. We're going to go over here, okay? Okay, ma'am, would you like to take off your sandals?
I guess
Okay,
so.
let me see if I can find an area that doesn't have as many rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and put on your sandals again. We'll walk over here.
On the sidewalk.
Okay, so you're probably going to have to take off your sandals because they're too
Because
tall,
there's
okay?
dirt.
No, ma'am, because of the sidewalk. There's nothing on the sidewalk, okay? Okay, so ma'am, how many drinks did you have tonight?
2
Two? Two what?
With a little bit of powder.
margaritas.
Okay, and do you have any medical conditions that would affect your ability to balance?
No.
Okay, so ma'am, if you want to, you can put your phone here, but you're gonna have to do the field sobriety test, okay?
Okay.
So you can record, you can place it wherever you like to, but,
I'd like to hold it.
okay. Okay, go ahead and stand here.
Hey, that cop is being super nice.
Okay,
I would never be able to do no shit like this.
turn around. Place your feet together, hands by your side. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna follow the tip of my finger with your eyes. Do not move your head, do you understand? You said you had no medical conditions, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's kind of hard for me to look up there without moving my head, but okay.
Okay, ma'am, what I'd like to do is place your left foot in the imaginary line, place your right foot until
The 1 foot always gets them.
arms by your side, just like this. Go and get in this position. So your other right foot needs to be in front, okay? You're gonna maintain this position until you start the test. This is part of the test. Do you understand? Okay, so ma'am, you have to say yes or no.
Yes, I suppose.
Okay. What you're gonna do is take 9 hitter toe steps. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. I took 3 steps, you're gonna take 9 steps. You're leaving your front foot in place because here's the small steps, make the turn, and walk back 9 hitter toe steps. 1, 2,
That's got to be embarrassing.
3,
Look, he can't even turn and not hit the curve without trying to check her out.
all the way up to 9. Every time looking down your feet, cannot allow the 9 hitter toe steps.
So 9 steps,
Keep your arms by your side.
and then turn around and do the same thing.
Starting with the left foot in the imaginary line, right foot hit a toe, and you catch your first step is 1. Once you start the test, do not stop the test. Do you have any questions about the test?
1, 2, 3, 4 to 9
Correct.
steps. Turn around and do the same thing.
Yes.
Can you show me the 9
Yeah, I
steps?
just did 3 steps
I know, but
Yeah, she's cooked.
back. I
could
can't.
you show me the 9?
No,
is what I
ma'am.
was
I just said I did 3. You're going to have to do 9. Okay?
Okay. I was wondering if you could show me 9.
I don't know why people get drunk and drive their cars these days when you got Uber, you got Lyft, you got taxis, you got so many options to not get caught with this type of shit. And yet still people are still getting DUIs, DWIs, OIs, VHRs, and DVDs. I just don't get it.
No, I can just show you 3, ma'am, like I just did.
Oh, so I have to show you something, but you can't do it.
Ma'am, remember, everything's been recorded.
Yeah, no, it was a question.
Yeah, and I just said I did
She is definitely pet at T.
3. I
Nothing
did it
crazy,
even
it was
twice
just
for
a
you, okay?
question. It was just a question. I don't
Okay.
know why you're getting some type of way. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. And then turn. 1, 2, 8.
Okay, ma'am, go and face me. Okay, feet together, hands by our side. Okay, do not start the test until I tell you to start the test. You understand?
Okay.
Okay, what you're gonna do is gonna pick either left foot or right foot. Lift this 6 inches off the ground. Take this, keeping both legs straight. Keeping your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the gun, arms by our side. You let down your foot and count 1,001, 1,002, 1,000.
This is the one that always gets them because I could barely do this shit sober.
3. You're gonna do that until I tell you to stop the test. Do you have any questions about the test?
Wait, how long do I count for?
You're gonna do that until I tell you to stop the test.
Wait, so there's not,
I'll tell you when to stop.
how does that make sense?
So I'll tell you when to stop the test,
But
ma'am.
there's not like just a typical like stopping point that everyone has to take.
No, I'll tell you when I stop, or when you have to stop. Okay, do you have any questions about the test?
This is how usually a porn starts.
I guess not.
Okay, do you
I guess
understand?
this is how y'all do things. Okay.
Okay, you may start the test now.
I lift my left
Yep.
foot.
Lift your foot up.
You're about to make a total fool of yourself, but I'm glad this makes you happy.
And time. Okay, ma'am, go and put on your sandals. Okay, so ma'am, you are going to be under arrest for DWI tonight, okay?
How?
You'll get a chance to write a breath sample at the Prisoner Transport Center, okay?
Fuck no.
So listen, ma'am, okay?
No. How
Okay.
did I fail?
So listen, okay? Everything's been
failed.
okay. I'm Sergeant Johnson with the Albuquerque Police Department.
Did I fail?
Okay, everything's been
Did
recorded.
I fail?
Okay, you are under arrest for DWI, okay? If you resist arrest, force abuse against you.
Did I fail?
You performed poorly, ma'am.
How?
Okay. So ma'am, remember, this is going to be played in
How
court.
did I fail
Okay,
poorly?
so ma'am, this is going to be played in court, okay? You're dealing with a misdemeanor crime. Please don't turn this into a felony. If you turn it into a felony, then it's going to be
Okay,
under...
just do what you gotta do.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll be nothing but respect for you, okay, ma'am?
I didn't do anything wrong, so I'm very confused right now.
He said you failed the test horribly bad.
Y'all are pieces of shit.
Ma'am,
You
remember,
lit
everything's
liquor!
good, okay?
I don't give a fuck. That doesn't make you less a piece of a shit that it's being recorded.
Okay, you have really
Obviously, you don't care if
ma'am.
you recorded
You have
that you're
really
a piece
small
of
wrists,
shit,
okay?
huh?
So please try not to slip your cuffs,
It does
okay?
not matter to you, huh? That you're a
Okay.
piece of shit, huh?
Okay, hold on, ma'am. Can you put your hands back towards me a little bit more? Thank you.
Even when an officer is nice, he still gets called a piece of shit. That's crazy.
This is absolutely
740 PD. Okay, so I haven't searched her. You guys probably have to search her. She has her phone and all that stuff still on her.
I don't sit down.
They probably been sitting there the whole time just watching. World Star!
We're gonna go ahead and open up the scene.
And this is where it gets juicy.
How's it going? You can sit down right here in front. Just is that you?
Yeah.
That is you? Mm-hmm. No, it's not.
Yes.
Is that really you?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It's deceiving though.
Go in there, talk to her.
She looks like a lady of the night.
You got sisters or what?
What?
You got sisters?
I wish. That would be cool.
This isn't a joke, but.
I wish.
Oh, okay.
2 peas in a pot.
I know. Tell me about
Hey,
it.
you guys pay attention? Come with me. Get up.
Wait.
Get up.
Both of us?
No, just you. Sit over there. Oh, okay. So you really want to pick up extra charges?
You told me to sit here.
I told you to sit over there. So what's your name? Why are you smiling?
Because you look funny.
No, okay. So what's your name? If you make us go, I
have the right to remain silent.
Okay.
What the fuck? You don't get to say that. That's the cop's job.
Well, you have to identify yourself. Because I'll get your identity either way. I'll go get you fingerprinted.
Okay.
And I'll do the whole 9 yards.
This lady is a piece of work.
And then you'll get extra silly charges, and I'll do it.
Wait, so if I remain silent, I'll get extra charges?
If you don't identify yourself.
So she'll get extra charges?
Yes, because. Yep. What's your social?
It's really a ting.
Your mom.
Yeah, you look like your mom did a good job.
Your mom didn't.
Hey, look who's here and look who's there.
She said at least I get to see my true girl tomorrow.
We don't.
Because we can tell you what else you look.
So what's your name? What's your name?
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
¿No sí? ¿Habla español?
Sí.
They childish.
That's cute. We're gonna get your name either way, just so you know.
I know. So what's the hassle?
Just make it easier. Make it easier for yourself. Don't pick up extra silly charges.
She give it to you or no?
No.
So she giving it to him.
I gave him
What's
my
your
info.
What's your social?
I gave it to
You
you.
repeat it like in like
I
1
told you
second.
go watch the recording. I told you it.
649. Okay.
Hey, man, can you come with me this way? I want this one.
Like the 2 tourniquets, the chest seals,
What was I doing so
face
wrong?
tourniquets, scissors.
That's not my fault.
Oh.
Not my fault. So what am I being arrested for? Somebody else can answer that for you. But I mean, I was not driving. I've already told her that.
Put her in the cage. Yeah. Which one of you want to go in the cage?
What?
You guys can be sitting together. So one has to go in the cage.
Why?
You guys can be sitting together.
Why?
Because I said so.
Well, I'll sit right there. Well, what does matter? I'll sit right here then. The fuck? That's crazy.
That guy back there geeking like a muff.
It's crazy. You're 21 and picking felony charges.
I don't have a camera, so I'm not.
Quit talking, okay? I already told you. Who wants to go in the cage? You guys say one more
Put me in
word.
the cage, bitch.
All right, get in the
Oh.
cage.
Oh.
Now you picked up a felony charge. Go ahead and
Oh, y'all ain't going to jail. Inside the jail. Now they got matching felonies.
Kevin,
This is Sparta. That's the kick she gave him.
I need a female for this lane.
Spawn kicked me.
She did.
He was just like,
Oh, you can't.
almost made the slice of pizza come out.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. See you guys at the next premiere. And that's it, baby. We out.